iconic chocolate-covered wafer bar has been a favorite snack for generations. Known for its satisfying crunch and creamy chocolate coating, it's a treat that's loved worldwide. Let's dive into the fascinating process of how KitKats are made, from raw ingredients to the final, delicious product. The process of making KitKats begins with the precise selection and preparation of raw ingredients to create the iconic taste and texture of this beloved chocolate treat. The journey starts with the creation of the wafer, which is the foundation of every KitKat bar. High-quality wheat flour is mixed with sugar, yeast, and other ingredients to form a dough. This dough is rolled out into thin sheets and baked to create the crispy, light wafers. These wafers are critical to the KitKat experience, as they provide the signature crunch that complements the smooth chocolate. Once the wafers are baked, they are cooled and cut into the desired size and shape. The factory is equipped with automated machinery that ensures each wafer is uniform, maintaining the high quality and consistency that KitKat is known for. These wafer sheets are then transported via conveyor belts to the next stage of the process, where they will be layered with a creamy filling. The filling, often a mixture of crushed wafer and chocolate, is carefully prepared to enhance the overall taste and texture. This step ensures that nothing goes to waste, as even the broken wafers from the cutting process are repurposed. The creamy filling is spread evenly between layers of wafers to create the familiar multi-layered structure of a KitKat bar. The layers are pressed together to form a solid yet light base, which is then sliced into individual bars. Next comes the enrobing stage, where the bars are coated in a luscious layer of milk chocolate. The chocolate used for KitKats is specially formulated to achieve the perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess, and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Large vats of liquid chocolate are maintained at precise temperatures to ensure consistency. The wafer bars are passed through a curtain of chocolate that envelopes them completely. This process not only enhances the flavor, but also seals the bars, ensuring freshness. Once coated, the bars are cooled in a controlled environment to allow the chocolate to set. This step is critical, as it ensures that the chocolate hardens evenly and retains its glossy finish. Cooling tunnels equipped with temperature regulation systems are used to achieve this. The bars are carefully monitored during this stage to ensure they meet the strict quality standards set by the company. After cooling, the KitKat bars are ready for packaging. Advanced packaging machines wrap each bar in its iconic red and silver foil. The wrappers are designed not only to attract consumers, but also to preserve the freshness and quality of the product. The packaging process is highly efficient, with machines capable of wrapping thousands of bars per minute. Each wrapper is printed with the recognizable KitKat logo, making it instantly identifiable. Once wrapped, the bars are sorted and packed into boxes for distribution. The factory's logistics team ensures that the finished products are delivered to various markets around the world. Distribution is a well-coordinated effort, with careful attention paid to storage conditions to maintain the integrity of the chocolate during transit. From the factory to the shelves, every step of the process is meticulously planned to bring KitKat to consumers in perfect condition. The entire production process is a blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship. Every stage, from the preparation of ingredients to the final packaging, is designed to uphold the high standards that KitKat has been known for since its inception. The dedication and expertise of the factory workers, combined with state-of-the-art machinery, ensure that each KitKat bar delivers the same delightful experience that fans have come to love. The story of how KitKats are made is not just about manufacturing, it's a testament to innovation, quality, and passion. Each bar represents a harmonious balance of flavors and textures brought to life through a seamless production process. It's this commitment to excellence that has made KitKat a global favorite for generations. And there you have it, The fascinating journey of how KitKats are made, from simple raw ingredients to the iconic chocolate-covered wafer bars we all know and love. If you've ever wondered what goes into creating your favorite chocolate treat, now you know the dedication and precision behind every bite. Let us know in the comments what your favorite KitKat flavor is, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the world's favorite foods. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take a break and enjoy a KitKat.